Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best car buffer polishers of 2025. Whether you're a professional detailer or just want your car to shine at home, I've got you covered. We'll go through each polisher's specs, performance, pros and cons, and help you pick the one that's perfect for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Maxshine M8S V2 Dual Action Polisher Kit. 8mm throw with a 5-inch backing plate. Powerful 1000 watt motor with 6 speed settings. Thread 5/16 inches. Designed for auto, boat, and marine detailing. Perfect for paint correction, swirl, and scratch removal. The Maxshine M8S V2 is a professional-grade dual-action polisher that feels solid in hand. It offers smooth polishing performance, excellent for removing swirls and minor scratches without damaging your paint. The 6-speed control lets you adjust depending on the surface and compound used. Pros: powerful 1000 watt motor, versatile for multiple detailing tasks, solid build quality. Cons: slightly heavy for long sessions, learning curve for beginners. Number 2. Chemical Guys BUF 501 TORQ 10FX Random Orbital Polisher. 700 watt motor, 8mm orbit. Digital display for speed and performance monitoring. Safe for cars, trucks, SUVs, and more. The TORQ 10FX is great for hobbyists and pros alike. Its digital display helps keep precise control over speed, reducing mistakes. The 8mm orbit ensures smooth, swirl-free polishing. Pros: digital speed display, lightweight and easy to handle, versatile for different vehicle types. Cons: slightly less powerful than Maxshine. Price is on the higher side. Number 3. Meguiar's MT300 Variable Speed Dual Action Polisher. Variable speed for full control. Digital torque management for consistent performance. Professionally designed for scratch removal and polishing. Meguiar's MT300 excels at giving a professional finish. The digital torque management system ensures consistent power even under pressure, making it perfect for paint correction jobs. Pros: precise speed control, durable and professional design, excellent scratch removal. Cons: heavier than some competitors, maybe overkill for beginners. Number 4. Saker Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. 6-inch portable waxer with cordless convenience. Comes with 3 by 12 volt 2000 mAh batteries. Extends to 22 attachments. This cordless polisher is perfect for quick touch-ups and mobile detailing. Its portability makes it easy to reach tight spots without worrying about power cords. Battery life is decent for small to medium jobs. Pros: cordless convenience, multiple attachments included, lightweight and portable. Cons: not as powerful as corded models. Battery may need charging during large jobs. Number 5. SPTA Mini Polishing Machine Buffer Rotary Polisher. Compact rotary polisher for detailed work. Comes with 27-piece pad kit and M14 thread extension shafts, 75mm, 100mm, and 140mm. The SPTA Mini Polisher is perfect for precise detailing on small areas, like headlights, mirrors, and tight spots. It's not meant for full car polishing, but excels in detail work. Pros: compact and easy to control, comes with a full set of pads, great for small areas and intricate jobs. Cons: limited for full car polishing, not ideal for beginners on large panels. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Drop a comment below to let me know which product you're excited to try, or if you have any questions. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, and keep shining out there.